Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we continue the 3D modeling tutorial series and we will be making a simple desk lamp. So let's get started. First we start Blender and we clean up everything that's in the scene. Go to Object, Delete. Alright, first we want a base. Let's add cylinder and let's make it flat. A little bit bigger. I'm going to squish it. Sounds good. Alright. Have a top view. Let's get a little shaft going. Move it here. Right. Sounds good. Let's put it a bit higher. Alright. Let's make one of those where we can that are adjustable. Rotate. Here I'm just going to eyeball it, but if you want a more precise rotation as I move, you see here the rotation on the y-axis is moving. So you can set a specific angle and be absolutely exact. But here, just going to make it 90. That's more or less good. Perfect. Now scale this. Have a top view. Let's move this here. A little bit bigger. Let's go see a side view. Or too high. And too small. Let's go bigger. Alright. Nah, this is a bit too big. Let's go a bit smaller. Oops, my bad. Yeah, that sounds more natural. Great. Alright. And we're going to make the poles that makes up the body. Sounds right. A bit too chunky. Let's make it thinner. Let's go side view. Let's move this. Perfect. Now let's put some rotation. Alright, this is perfect. Now let's go in the front view. I'm hovering the y-axis over here. This, now we're going to duplicate. And when we duplicate in a locked position on the view, when you move it, it's exactly in the same plane, so it's never misaligned. So snapping the views is a perfect way to do that. Great, now let's make the last part. Top one. Select this. Duplicate again. Like this. Rotate it on the other way. That sounds about right. Alright. Let's move it down. By the way, I'm making this whole tutorial with my left hand on a right-handed mouse. Because why not? Alright, sounds good. Now let's finish. Top, let's lock the view. Duplicate again. anything. Let's use this. Duplicating is great. Saves you time. Scale this. Let's put this in the center. Oh, and let's make it very fancy where it's fully adjustable. Alright, this is great. Starting to look like a real lamp. For the... Oops, my bad. For the top, I'm thinking I can find a weird shape. Oh, that should do it. It'll look like an IKEA thing. Let's move it. Now it looks like nothing, but with scaling, we can make it look like something that resembles a lamp. That looks futuristic. Great. Yes. Too big now. Love it. This is definitely going to win a design prize for sure. Alright, now let's make a little handle because these lamps usually run hot, so that's not the way I want it to be, but let's go. Nope, dude, that's not what I wanted. I want another cylinder. Alright, let's move this. This one's too high. There we go. A bit smaller. Perfect. Starting to look like a lamp. Let's put a little sphere there. Or move, yeah. Too big, of course. Let's move it up. Undo. Trying to go fast. Perfect. Great, we got a lamp. Oh, I forgot. Let's put a little switch down there. Over here. So let's add a little switch. Why could we use this? Let's go faster. Duplicate. Alright, let's move the view. Whoop. If you guys remember the first tutorial, if this happens, you're in loss, you can always go in view, align the view, center cursor and frame everything. Boom. Alright. Let's see here. Let's make a little button. No. No. I'm on the wrong tool. My bad. Scale. I'm gonna move this line a bit too much. That sounds good. That looks nice. And there you are. Now you have made a desk lamp. And you're now ready for the next tutorial. Oh, and don't forget, always save your file. And the way I save my files, I use a name convention of big scope, small scope. Scope is a furniture piece, smaller scope is a desk, and on the desk it's a lamp. Alright, save, and I'll see you on the next one.